If you love reading, but your brain feels like a leaky bucket when it comes to remembering what you read, Readwise Reader might be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. In this video, we're doing a full deep dive tour of Readwise Reader, from the interface to pricing to hidden gems you probably didn't know existed. Let's go straight to the point. Once you log in, you're taken straight to the Reader dashboard, which looks like a clean, distraction free inbox. On the left sidebar, you'll see your main navigation, which contains inbox, later, feed, shortcuts like favorites and all items, and your tagged folders. At the top, there's a global search bar. You can search through every highlight, note, or document across your entire library. That's key if you're juggling a lot of long form reading. Everything feels snappy, responsive, and lightweight. There's zero learning curve here. If you've used Gmail or Notion, you'll feel instantly at home. What makes this dashboard powerful is its ability to shift based on how you read. You can pin tags, create filtered views, or even collapse sections for a more focused layout. It's not just a dashboard, it's your personalized reading HQ. This is a huge improvement over juggling tools like Pocket, Gmail, and Notion just to process information. With Reader, everything is here in one flow. Now let's talk about your library. This is where all your saved content ends up. You can add articles from any browser using the extension, PDFs by dragging them in or uploading, newsletters via your unique reader email address, EPUB books, YouTube transcripts, Twitter threads, and even custom RSS feeds for blogs or niche sources. Each item is automatically categorized. You'll find newsletters in your feed, unread articles in your inbox, and long form documents in your library. You can filter by tags, read status, favorites, or even source type. The organization here is next level. If you're the kind of person who saves everything but forgets to go back, this system will help you stay on track. And with everything taggable and searchable, you never lose an insight. Now let's click into a book or article and explore reader mode. What you see is a clean, clutter free reading interface, completely focused on content. You can highlight individual lines or entire sections. You can add sticky notes in the margins, use Ghost Reader, the built in AI, to summarize or explain anything, view your highlight history in the sidebar. Whether you're reading a dense essay, a newsletter, or a YouTube transcript, the experience is consistent and smooth. But here's the thing, one subtle but powerful feature is the ability to preview all highlights for a document. And yes, it works on mobile as well. You can scroll, swipe, and highlight without Wi Fi. Now, click the AA icon and you'll find customization settings that rival dedicated e readers. First, that you can alter is the font type. You can change it to serif or sans serif. You can also alter the font size and spacing, the dark, light, or sepia modes, page width, and the line height controls. This sounds basic, but when you're spending hours reading research, reports, or books, it really matters. So if you're reading late at night or under bright lights, you can quickly adjust the mode. If you're nearsighted, just bump up the font and line height. These changes apply universally, saving you time on setup. You can also move items to your later list, tag them for specific project grouping, or archive them for cleanup. Reader helps you stay organized without forcing structure onto your process. And if you're managing multiple topics, say one tag for marketing ideas and another for productivity books, this system makes curation effortless. Now, one cool trick is that you can open multiple tabs within Reader and switch between sources, just like a reading workspace. Now, here are some other key features. The Feed tab works like a focused newsletter reader. You'll find Substack, review, or even Beehive newsletters arriving here if you forwarded them to your reader email. So unlock your inbox, you can highlight, tag, or summarize newsletters here. No distractions, no promotions, just the content you care about. Now, for Ghost Reader AI real world use cases, Ghost Reader isn't just a gimmick. Here's what it can really do. Stuck in a complicated paragraph from my psychology paper, Ghost Reader can rewrite it in plain English. Need a summary of a 20-minute newsletter? Highlight the whole thing and ask for key takeaways. Working on a script? Ask Ghost Reader to rewrite your own highlights into bullet points. It's a context aware and available in every piece of content. The more you use Ghost Reader, the more natural it feels. You can even ask it to explain something to a 5-year-old, write a Shakespearean English, or condense a paragraph into a tweet. It's like having a built in research assistant. Now let's move on to browser and mobile sync. Reader has a Chrome and Safari extension for saving web articles with one click. On mobile, the app is fully synced, highlighting works, AI works, and your saved articles are available offline. Now, for my final feedback and review, is Readwise Reader worth it? Let's tie it all together. If you've used Pocket, you know it's fast and simple, but no highlighting unless you pay. No AI. Instapaper gives highlights, but it's aging fast and has no real integrations or smart features. But here, Readwise Reader gives you full highlighting even in PDFs and YouTube transcripts, AI summarization and explanations, syncing to your note taking Slack, such as Notion, Roam, or Obsidian, actual organization with tags, filters, and folders, a reading inbox, a feed, and second brain connection all in one. Now, who it's for? It is for students, writers and content creators, knowledge workers, second brain builders, and lifelong learners. But if you guys are casual readers or people who only read short form news, or if you need PDF markup or academic citations tools, this might be lagging for you or you might not find it suitable. Now, for the pricing, there is a free tier and there's also a pro tier which costs $8 per month. Now, in a world where our attention is scattered across tabs, inboxes, and apps, Readwise Reader pulls it all back into a calm, intelligent space. So if you want a tool that makes your reading intentional, trackable, and useful, this is it. This has been How to Literally, breaking down the tools that make your brain stronger, one highlight at a time.